coffee match because you see they resemble to a match, and you see that the seeds still attached to the radical system. So what will happen after a couple of days is that this bean is open. Like 6 to 10 months ago, and at this stage these are called colinos. Then remember the first stage: fósforo de café, chapola, powerful like one, and colino. Yes, good colors, too light. All of them are perfect. Time that we have to be very meticulous. This is a selective process. That's why some black ones that are overripe, some green ones. So if we have a look at detail, we may find here some other damaged beans, some green cherries like this. Okay. As you see, we spread out all of the beans here. So these are also first quality coffees. But this is a special edition, and these are called honey or cafe.